buy a drink. Have something to eat here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a big boat.
Yeah. You can put your boat here if you're a member.
Oh, you got to pay money to keep your boat here. Otherwise, you got to buy a berth.
Ah.
You can buy a berth and keep your boat here.
It is a big place. We're inside. Yeah, there's a lot of people here
Yeah.
playing. Playing the pool.
Yeah, we're playing pool. And
Yeah. My nephew used to play that like really
yeah.
That's a big one, honey.
Yeah. One time I was here and I had one from Middle East. And it was
Yeah?
huge. Yeah. 3 times as big.
There?
As that. Yeah, it was.
Park
somewhere,
there?
Somewhere there, yeah. It's a huge one from the Middle
This
East.
one's okay.
Yeah. One day we'll go to the dinner. Go this way.
Wait. I will. You stay there. I'm not taking a photo. I'm taking a video.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Let's go. Okay, where to Malab
We're going to camp.
now? Say Malab. Okay, let's go.
Yep, let's go.
And one more. I will take this and then that's it. This is the
Yorkeys Knob Boat Club.
Yorkie Snub
Boat Club.
Yorkie Snub
Boat
Boat Club. Yeah, we went up there. Inside. We went inside there. Yeah, there are.
Picture of the boats. Yeah.
I should have taken a photo of it like when we are there.
Well, I can take a photo of it.
Yeah.
now. You want me to take a photo of it?
Yeah.
Okay, my camera.
Yeah, where's your camera here?
You want to stop the video?
No, yeah. Let's go to Cairns Central. See you there.